Hi, I'm Ron with the Hook and Hackle Company. Today, we're going to build a fishing rod. It's easy to do and you'll catch more fish. So let's get started. Here are the 5 tools you'll need to build a rod. Tape measure, rat tail file, fresh sharp single edge razor blade or a pair of sharp scissors, marking pen, and some masking tape. That's it. Those are all the tools you'll need. Let's take a look at what the parts of the rod are. This is what's inside the kit. Rod blank, rod bag, guides and tip top, reel seat, 2 spools of thread, high quality cork grip, brushes, glues and finishes you'll need, and of course, complete instructions. This is not one of those projects that you might start and never finish. In fact, you should be able to build most of this rod in less than a day. So let's get started.